What? I definitely wasn't looking up how to make oobleck so I could show you guys. It's Sweet Pea from the Big Room, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make oobleck. So, first thing you'll need is some cornstarch. So, I'm going to need a mixing tool. So I'm going to be testing out these mixing tools. So we have the wood fork and the wood spoon and the metal fork. So I just think the metal fork's going to work, so because the cornstarch will get all over these. So you're just going to want to get it all around. My dog's barking. So you're just going to want to add little bits of water at a time because you may just add too much. So we're going to need to add some more water. Whenever it's all mixed, I'm making a little batch. So, need more water. It's okay if you add too much water, because if you do, you can just add more cornstarch.
Do you ever use your fingers?
I don't want
to mix
dirty.
it?
Finally got to the right consistency. So you just grab a handful and it just drips out. Yeah, so you can smack it and then it won't do anything. But whenever it just goes in, goes in, goes in, goes in. It's very fun. It's very cool. It's like slime. So, parents, if you don't care about your kids getting messy, this is right for you.